Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand a very fun and easy string problem from the Leetcode, that is 1957. Okay, so question saying that delete characters to make fancy string. It means we have given a string and we will call this string as a fancy string if it does not contain three or more of the same character in a row. So we are given the string s and we need to delete the fewest characters so that it becomes fancy string. Okay, so as you can see here, right, in the given example Leetcode, right, we have, if we represent this in a separate rows, right, let me tell you how. So we are doing what? Leetcode 1957, and we have to delete the characters to make the fancy string, right? So the question is saying that we have to make the string fancy where no three consecutive characters are equal. Means three character should not be in one place at a time. So we have to delete some of the minimum character which is possible to make the string fancy, and then final string will return after the deletion is called what is fancy string, and the answer will be always unique. For this example, let's understand the example 1. We have given a string s and these are the characters we have given. So can we say that if here how many rows we have? Okay, let's suppose the very first we have r1, right? R1 we can say, or r0. Let's suppose call r0. At r0 1, or let's say row 1, we say at row 1 we have one null character is l. L2 we have is triple E, right? Can we say that triple E we have? Then R3 we have what? This is row 2, this is row 3, we have T. Then R4 we have C, and R5 like that we have, right? So at this place, means I am talking about the this row have how many E? 3 E we have, right? So if in a row, if we are seeing more than 3 characters consecutive, means it's not fancy. So we'll say this is not fancy string. It means we have to remove from here one character, one E we have to remove. If you will remove, the remaining will become 2. Okay, so now we can say it will become fancy if no 3 letter in the same row, and that is why we are removing from that from there, and we are making a fancy string like this. Okay, so what is a fancy string? We can say, so a string is fancy if it does not have 3 or more the same character in a row. So for example, not a fancy if we have triple A in a one row like this, right, and like this. So here we are seeing 3 character, and here we are getting 3 character here and 4 character here. So these are not allowed. Okay, what is the fancy? If double A is there, means 2 character is okay. 2 character before and 2 character after, we can say no 3 letters should be consecutive, right? So there is no 3 letter together, so it's also okay. This is also okay. If you take character Leetcode, there is only 1 2 E is there, and last is doesn't matter, means consecutive is not there, the 2 is also okay. So these are the fancy string. So what is the our goal? We need to delete the minimum number of characters from the string so that no character appears 3 times in a row. Okay, means we have to delete the minimum number of characters from the string s so that no character appears 3 times in a row. Understood? Means who is allowed or who is not allowed. If 2 in a row means okay, it is allowed, like A double E. If 3 or more are there, means remove extra and make it double A like this. If it is extra we have, right, we will remove that and we'll make it like this. So can we say that if we have this string, very first we have triple A in the here, so we'll remove one of them and we'll make double A, right? Then again we have 4 times, we'll remove 2 and we'll make bar, correct? And so finally is ABA. So we have to make this what you call result, and this result we have to return. So what are the rules are there? Allowed at most 2 consecutive same letters, and skip any characters that would make 3 in a row, right? So for that, very first we have to return the string here. Then we have to build a string builder, so we can operate multiple times on the string. To append multiple times, we will use a string builder. We will not use the string, because if we'll do anything on the string again and again, it will create a new object, right, due to the string constant pool. So better use string builder here. Okay, on the string builder result, initially will take count 1, okay, because to check the same character. We'll start with the 0 index and we'll go to the last index of the string characters. You know, the string contains a list of elements, right? We can say here, and start with 0, 1, 2, 3, like this is the index, like same as the array. Start from the 0, and length function we have, so we use length function. Remember, string have a length function where length after this, and if you're using array, we'll use only length. Okay, if current character is same as the previous one, what you need to do, just check current character. You will check with the previous character, right? String char at I is the present, and the previous is like this. Let's suppose triple A is the string 0, 1, 2. We can say that. So if we are at this index, right, means we have to check with this one. So this, if this is 1, this will become what? 1 minus 0. 1 minus 1, so it will become 0, means the previous character and for the current character. If both are equal, it means we'll do count plus plus, right? Otherwise we'll set count as a 1. Then we'll apply it. If count is less than 3, it's fine, add into the result. If it is more than that, we'll not do anything. Okay, then return the result. We'll do the same thing again and again. Okay, and we'll update our result. So can we say that if this is our string we have, right? So I will iterate from 0 and we'll go to the last element, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll, let's suppose, call 7. Okay, so this 0 and it will go to till the 7, right? And we'll check all the character. When I is at where? At here, right? So I should be greater than 0, means it should start from here, right? Then it will check the if condition. Okay, and we'll check the condition. If both are same, like this case, count is 2. Okay, then third time it is coming, we will not add into there, right? So when count is less than this, we'll keep adding onto the result. So we will add this one and this one, but for this we will not add, because its count is becoming more than 3, right? It's not less than 3. It is greater than equal to 3, means we will not do anything. Similarly, for other characters, we'll repeat the same thing. We'll skip this one, we'll continue this and this, right? So B is unique, it is coming one time, so we'll keep it like that. Here count is, we have 2, right? So we'll add it again. We'll start here, count is 1, we'll add here, but after this count is getting more than 3 and more than 3, so we'll discard it here and here. I hope you understand, right? So can we say that if we do dry run, very first we saw count is 1, then count is 2, then count is coming 3, we'll skip it. Then we'll get the new character B, it's fine, count is 1 for the B. Then we'll check character A, because it's reset again, so count is 1. Then we'll check count is 2, right? Then we'll skip these 2 because count is already 2. We'll get the final result. Okay, so if we'll talk about the complexity, what is the complexities here? Complexity is O of n, because we iterate through the string s1s from the index 0 to the length, right? So each operation inside the loop, either you're doing comparison, increment, or append, it takes some time, right? And that is called O of 1 time. For the space complexity, it is taking a string builder. The final result we are building here, which is the worst case scenario, no deletion if it is, that could be the same as the size of a string s. So no additional data we are using here will that can be used as scale with the input size. So we can say O of n time we are using. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section that you have understood or not, and if you like this video helpful, please subscribe to ExpertFunda for more better videos, and please suggest if you like anything to add to improve this channel. Thank you guys, thank you for being a part of ExpertFunda.